everyone, welcome to Roger Journal. My name is Alice. I'm so happy to have you back in my Junk Journal with Me video. In this video, I'll be sharing a journaling process that I did with this year's first issue of Daphne's Diary magazine and my digital printable blue floral. So I started with cutting out images from Daphne's diary or tearing off pages that I like that makes my heart happy, which I want to keep in my journal. I'm done choosing from the magazine. Then I did fussy cutting the images that I cut out from Daphne's diary. Basically, I was making my own die cut. I journaled on 2 pages this day, and this is the first page. And literally, it is the first page of this journal. This is a tag from the magazine. I wanted to mute the text on it, so I applied white ink on it. Then I glued the calendar piece. This month's Daphne's diary had a calendar poster, and this is like a miniature of it that I cut out from the magazine page. So it had only until September, but it was totally okay for me because this is a journal, not a planner. So I'm fussy cutting postage stamps from my blue floral printable and then more florals. This is a floral element kit. This is binder clip die cut. They are so cute. And I pulled out another die cut container and picked this tab. So I'm gluing the florals. Then added washi tapes. These labels are from Blue Floral envelope kit. So I finished the first page and moved on to the next page. I thought this photo would be perfect because there was orange red on both pages, and I'm cutting a 4x6 card. I'm adding washi tapes at the top on the photo and at the bottom of the page. This is a fountain pen that I cut out from Daphne's diary. It is so lovely and I don't know, I thought it goes well with a photo on the left page. Well, they are both artistic. And I cut out another floral from Printable and then adding phrases. Then there was space at the bottom right, so I placed the mini envelope. It was a perfect fit in there. And I cut one more floral to use it as a closure for the envelope. You will see in a minute what I mean. This is a repositionable glue. As you can see, when I need to glue tiny elements, I always use glue pen. Mine is Nouveau Smooth Precision Glue Pen. And I'm cutting a vintage hanky that has a cute floral on the corner to add on the flap of the left page. This is a 3x4 journal card sheet. I cut one of them to include in the envelope. So I'm finishing the left page with a double-sided tape because the page is from a catalog, so the surface was glossy. So the second page has done like this, and I decided to use the calendar piece to record the best movie of each month. So it was Little Women for this January, and February is not over yet, but I know that The Farewell will be the best movie of this month for me. Then I stamped movies on the label and journaled on the second page. So this is how today's journaling has finished. I love both pages. I love the calendar page with a tab and blue florals, and the second page has artistic vibe and a mini envelope. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this journaling process. If you liked Blue Floral Printable, check my Etsy shop. I'll link it in the description box and in the comments. You will have 5 kits in this Blue Floral collection that has beautiful vintage florals. So, thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you have a great day and a great week until next time we meet. See you soon. Bye bye.